Whether it's working with wood and making projects, or collecting the tools, or just simply generating a bucket load of sawdust, whichever part of that excites you about being a woodworker, coming up on the channel for the rest of this year, I've got some fantastic videos for you to watch. In no particular order, apart from the first one, which is coming up real soon, is going to be part 2 of the walk-in wardrobes video. Part 1 I released about a month ago, I think. It's taken quite a while to get this one finished, but I hope you'll agree that the results are well worth it. And then, as I said, in no particular order, we're going to be looking at some Bridge City Toolworks tools, the creme de la creme, apparently, some beautifully finished manufactured tools. In particular, I'm going to be looking at some squares fixed in combination. Can't wait to look at them and share them with you. And then at some point there and after, we're also going to look at the Bridge City Toolworks Chopstick Maker. Not quite the usual thing that I would go for, but would you believe my wife expressed an interest in looking at this, and it certainly looks as if, or is presented as if, it could be used by a non-woodworker. That really looks like they put some time and effort into it. So we've got one of those to look at and share with you. Then we've got the Festool table saw, the battery powered CIS50 table saw, the complete set with the trolley and all. Very exciting. Got a portable drill press from Banggood to have a look at, and possibly the Festool drill press alongside that as well. Fingers crossed. Also going to be looking at the Festool MFK700 trim rater. I think that's something that's going to really make you stop and think about whether that could be a solution for you. Exceptional bit of kit. Then we've got helical head upgrade for the DeWalt benchtop planer thicknesser, the DW733. Really can't wait to have a look at that one. I've also got a fibre laser that I'm going to be looking at. That is super exciting. So completely different approach to the LED lasers, both open frame and confined concealed sealed box diode lasers that I've looked at before. And lastly, on the tool front, really exciting, and I hope I'm not being premature with this announcement, but I'm going to be working with Woodworkers Workshop to bring you what Peter and I believe is the Woodworkers Essential Toolkit. Not going to say too much more about it now, but that is a really exciting prospect that I really hope is going to come to fruition. I'm thinking that it will. Anyway, now you're probably thinking to yourself, lucky git to get given all of that kit. Well, that's not the case. The majority of this I've had to buy myself, and I've bought it myself through extra works that I've been doing, not through the millions of pounds that YouTube's yet to pay me. That may happen one day, you never know. So 2 items, I've entered into agreements with the manufacturers, distributors, to say that I would make a video for them about the product in exchange for the product. And I'll make sure I make you fully aware of which 2 items they are when I actually get to making that video. So that's enough on the tool front. Interspersed throughout all of those tool reviews and videos, I'm going to be continuing with the projects, and also don't forget I'm still working my way through the haul of timber that I bought from Yandles. I started with the 𝑨𝒙𝒏𝒔𝒕𝒆 orange charcuterie boards, and there's more to come, hopefully in the very near future. So exciting times ahead here at the GT Woodshop. I'm sure you're not going to want to miss any of it, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you're alerted to when the next masterpiece hits your screen. Look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.